So here comes a farmer with a mic, spitting like I've been rolling in the rap game for a long time. I got something on my mind, you can kiss on my behind. Cause if you don't like my lyrics, then let's make some income right. Cause me on my own heat, gonna ride, gonna glide. And the COVID to weddings, and now we're about to turn the tide. Watch your English, we can get ready for the fight. Cause we about to come together, put our differences aside. Cause the crack just won't let me be. Gotta get the vote for yes, Cymru. Parliament got a good grip, you see. They don't give a damn about you or me. So while we're waiting for Adam to put a price on independence, me on my own heat, shout out to our descendants. Better watch out, England's trying to befriend us, trying to speak for us cause they think we are dependent. Calling it insanity, rob our nationality, a bridge and a stadium calling us a principality. Say we have no policies, won't survive financially. How about we turn the taps off and watch it get thirsty? Bending over backwards, doggy style for the bulldog. Same problem, different day, just call me groundhog. Say we need to crack on when we need to march on. Make sure you get this message even if you've got the sound off. England looking pretty while we're going to austerity. Speaking West and Wales always been a minority. They don't want autonomy, they want us all in poverty. Go ahead, Scotland, lead the way cause we're following. Just like Annibyniaeth, feed us lies that we keep swallowing. Wallowing in false promises, at time is standing still. Keep it down the rabbit hole cause you took the red pill. Believing all the lies and you gotta be mentally ill. Annibyniaeth I Cymru marw, Annibyniaeth I Cymru. Maen nhw moyn yr iaith I marw. Ti chi'n meddwl am peth mor salw? Don't get me wrong, it's not attacking the English people, but Boris will make a move trying to stop a Scottish sequel. Tyrannical moves to kill the voice of the people. Now can you see that he gon' never treat us equal? Killing Celtic regions and whitewashing PLM. Jump on the merry-go-round, we go again. Cause Dick Benderin was a matter of innocence, killed with petulance and a lack of evidence. So now you gotta swing low with a low blow against minorities who question the colonial home. Richard Zakazewski abolished party, a bunch of Nazis leave independence alone. We don't want devolved powers cause we're taking backwards hours. Here we go. Square one, same, different shower. Marcus Rashford I admire, took on liars, spitting fire against the powers who took the food, defend the flames and grab the tower. See, England wants to say that it's all inclusive. Unless you miss a penalty, then it just gets abusive. Union Jack approved for a building in Cardiff, a flag over a nation that was never included. Abolish movement, Aberfan, Welsh not Tryweryn. Ti'n meddwl bod y ceg yn toddi hyd yn o'n llawn y menyn. Gad y celwi gan I mynd I moyn yn y byniaeth. Mi'n abuse yn celw sy'n fydd y ddim yn teimlo bod yn carchar. Hyd yn o byrrain I rwt ysgwyddau gyda'r crachach. Hala negosiad am price yr unig un sy'n gwrando. Gwedwch y undeb yn Cymru wedi adeb. Mas o grŵp o gleddydd o'n I ddim gyda'r lle cyntaf. Don't call us brothers cause we never really were. And if we were, you were Cain and we'd never be able to see eye to eye through all your lies. So the only thing left to say is really goodbye.